Hi guys, it's playtime. Today we have the Disney Princess Little Kingdom Fairy Tale Wedding Collection. We also have the Disney Princess Cinderella's Royal Carriage and the Play-Doh Sparkle Compound. Here is Cinderella's white horse and Princess Cinderella with magic clip gown. It comes with a tiny blue bird, let's connect this carriage to the horse. Here's our 3 royal brides and royal grooms. The bride, Princess Ariel, with her groom, Prince Eric. Here's the groom of Princess Ariel, Prince Eric. The bride, Princess Cinderella. Princess Cinderella's groom, Prince Charming. The bride, Princess Rapunzel. And Prince Eugene. Princess Ariel comes with a white bridal gown with a sparkly green detail in the middle. She's wearing a veil and her crown. And since they are magic clip dolls, that means she can take off the bridal gown and change it into the ordinary magic clip dress. Beautiful. Their veil is attached to the crown, which you can also remove if you like, or you just leave it like that. Let's put her bridal gown back. And here is Princess Cinderella with her white bridal gown. It is sparkly. It's different from Princess Ariel. Princess Ariel only has glitters in the middle, but Princess Cinderella's gown has glitters all over her white bridal gown. But her detail in the middle, which is blue, doesn't have the glitters. Let's take this off and let's have her try an ordinary dress. Pretty. Let's put back her bridal gown. Then next we have Princess Rapunzel with her white bridal gown and a purple detail in the middle, which is full of glitters. Beautiful. Now let's put back her bridal gown. After the wedding, we can change their gowns into the Play-Doh sparkle dresses. We got sparkly green for Princess Ariel, sparkly yellow for Princess Cinderella, and sparkly purple for Princess Rapunzel. Let's start with Princess Ariel. Let's take off her bridal gown. Here's Princess Ariel with her beautiful sparkly green Play-Doh dress. Since her bouquet is pink, you can also make a pink accent to her dress. Next, we're gonna have Princess Cinderella. Let's take off her bridal gown and we're gonna make a sparkly yellow dress. Here's the beautiful Princess Cinderella with her sparkly yellow dress. She's so beautiful with her yellow dress. Next, we're gonna make a sparkly purple Play-Doh dress for Princess Rapunzel. Let's take this off. And here's our sparkly Play-Doh. Here is the beautiful Princess Rapunzel with her beautiful sparkly purple dress. And we can add a yellow flower. She's so beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.